Hey there, tech lovers. If you want to make your cleaning routine a breeze, then you need to check out the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 self-emptying robot vacuum mop. This incredible device not only identifies and avoids obstacles like pet waste and cords, but it also empties itself for up to 60 days. With smart mapping and Alexa compatibility, this is the ultimate cleaning companion. But that's not all. The Roomba Combo J5 features the same powerful vacuum technology as the Roomba J7 vacuum, now with the added bonus of a mop. With the innovative 4-stage cleaning system and dirt detect technology, you can be sure that every nook and cranny will be thoroughly cleaned. Worried about your pet's messes? Don't be. The P.O.O.P. Pet owner official promise guarantees that your Roomba Combo J5 will steer clear of your pet's waste, with the added bonus of being able to switch between vacuuming and mopping with ease. With the ability to create no mop zones and advanced navigation for a more thorough clean, this device truly takes the hassle out of keeping your floors pristine. Plus, with the specially designed microfiber pad, your hard floors will be left shiny and dust-free. So why wait? Make cleaning a thing of the past and grab your iRobot Roomba Combo J5 self-emptying robot vacuum mop today. Check the link in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations.